Okay, so now let's see what we need to make this work better. I'll go back into this one here. So we've got our standard accessory. Now let's add premium dealers. Okay, again, I'm not going to create the dealers. We'll deal with this in other videos. I'll just make them appear on this page. So first I'll go here, I'll close this, I'll look at the blackjack table here, and we'll look at the kit. So the first box here on top is the standard accessories here. Now the next one is the dealers. So we're gonna need to call it premium dealer. I'll take a copy, Command C, and you'll see here that it's different. It's not multi-select. It's gonna be single select drop down. So it's a drop down, and it's not gonna be read only because we want to be able to choose if we want 3 hours plus 1 hour, 2 hours, and then here I will need to see. Let me see if I can expand this here. It doesn't expand here. But anyways, we've got the 3 hour plus 1 plus 2. So I'll write this down here. 3 hours is the first option. There's a plus 1, plus 2, and then there is the select option. And then here you can notice that the first one is the default. So this one is the default. Write this down, and then I'll just to confirm, I will write down the numbers beside it. So the first one is 212, 213, 214, and the other option with nothing is 1458. So now I can close out of there, and I will go into this premium blackjack tutorial. I will exit the kit, and I will come here and I will paste what I am premium dealer. So I've got this, and then now what we need to do is click on inventory variant, select, and the first one that we're going to need to do is premium dealer, and that should pick all of them. You see, we've got the first one was the 3 hour, 1 hour, 2 hours, and then the select option. So I will pick this one, then I save. It creates a new line, inventory, select. The next one is the 1 hour. So plus 1 means 4 hours. Now click. You see, I cannot add the third one yet. It's when I click save. Right now I have 2 lines. As soon as I click save, I'm gonna get a third line, and then I can go back in inventory. I can say select. Now we'll say the plus 2 hours, save, and then I go back here and then select, and what we're gonna have is the premium dealer select option, and then save. Now we've got all these 4 here. Now we can see our pricing difference is 105, 140, 175. If I wanted to change those things, I would make it differently, but that's what it is right now. So now I will go here and I will refresh the page. Now you see our you see again there the radio button. That's not what we want. We want to have a pull down list. So I will go back here, a drop down list. So I'll say this, and I'll click back on my general here, say save, and you see the first one is selected as default. That's what we wanted. So I will refresh my page. So now we've got premium dealer 3 hour 105, and then we've got this, and now that brings us to a total of 280 because our base price is 175 plus 105 is 280. Now let's see if that works here. We have a base price of 280. That's all good. Now we're gonna need in the next video to add these 3 other categories, and then we'll be done.